Okay, let's take a start. IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
Yes, sir. I'm working.
All right, what do you do?
I
What
am
is your job?
professional physiotherapist.
Okay, mashallah, that's good. Do you like bags?
Not really, sir. I don't like bags, but I like leather wallets
Why?
because wallets in wallets I can contain my personal ID card.
Okay, this
ATM
answer
card.
is not complete one. It's incomplete answer. And you have changed the course of the question. The question is, do you like bags? You say, I don't like bags, I like wallets. And next, wallets, huh? Do you like bags? No, I like elephant. And next is thing is elephant. So don't change the question.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's go on. What types of bags do you like?
Sir, I don't like bags, but I have backpack.
Okay, so speak about it. I don't like bags, but I like backpack is a bag. Yeah? It's the same thing like you say, I don't like girls, but I like Shireen very much. Huh? Shireen is a girl. So you don't like bags, but you like backpack. So backpack is a bag. Okay? Don't be confused. Just relax. As you give a session of physiotherapy to people,
Yes,
you
sir.
are confident. So
Yes,
you
sir.
should be confident here
Okay,
as well,
sir.
right? Let's go on. Do you usually carry a bag when you go out?
Yes, sir. I usually carry a backpack because in my backpack, my physiotherapy related modalities are in my backpack.
Okay.
So I often used when
I
I
often
have,
use.
I often use when I have to treat patients.
Okay. All right. What types of bags do you use in your everyday life?
In my daily routines, sir, I only carry backpack.
Yeah, I only use backpack because it is quite handy. Whenever I go outside, there are certain things which I have to carry, and backpack is ideal for that. So,
Yes,
to
sir.
answer your question, whenever I go outside, I only carry a backpack. ऐसे बोलना है
Okay, sir.
8 से 8:30 मिनट आ जाएगा आराम से. Okay? All right, one last question. What do you usually put in your bag?
I put in my bag usually physiotherapy related modalities, for example, heating pad, stimulator, because these modalities uh, in my daily routine. I
Okay.
use in my daily routines.
Okay, that's fine. So just try to add some more.
Yes, sir.
Go through this book, come up with more ideas. Okay, you're lacking ideas
Yes, sir.
actually. Thank you.
Thank you.